Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be making some coconut boiled dumplings. And first, let's start off putting a little bit of water in the pot, and then I'm going to add some coconut milk, a lot of coconut milk, right? And if you can get the real coconut where you grate it or blend it, that would be great. I added some salt, and then I'm gonna cover this and leave it to boil for about 10 minutes. And now here are the rest of my ingredients. So here I have 4 cups of flour, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon salt. And add salt to taste really. And here I'm going in with some coconut. So listen vibes, Sam, if you don't have a good coconut, this is not gonna be tasting like anything. You need like some proper coconut. You need the real deal. So the best, if you're using canned coconut, then the best one you can find, right? So of course I know it looks weird, but I always start off my dumpling to knead my dumpling with a fork first. Sorry, a spoon. I always start off with a spoon just to gather everything together. This is how I grew up seeing my mom do it, and my grandma did it the same way. This is just how we do. We don't like to get our hands dirty at first, too dirty, but then once it comes together, then let's go in with them hands. Give it hands. Yes, drop some hands on that thing. So let's get to kneading. So knead away and knead away. You want to bring everything together. Now what I'm gonna do, so for those of you, because once I remember someone asking me, okay, so when you spoil the flour, like, oh, her dough was a bit soft, so this is what you would do: add some more flour, right? And then you want to just get it all over the dough, and then you want to kind of open up, like make sure you get to the inside of the dough, right? So like get it open up, because it would be very soft, right? So you want to get the flour. Was I saying dough? I'm not even sure what I was saying. You want to get the flour all over the dough so that you can get it nice and firm, because we're making boiled dumpling, right? You need it nice and firm. This is not fried dumpling. Fried dumpling, your dough can be soft. So this is it. All done. Look at beautiful. So now let's make some dumplings. Dumplings. Now everybody make them dumpling different, right? Need their flour different. The style of making the dough is different. Some people do it like this. Now what I'm doing is taking off my little flour, right? I'm just picking off some flour to make each dumpling. Now what you see, I'm feeling like, because when I squeeze it like that, I can feel the size, right? And so that is how I know that this first one was a little bit too big. So I took off a piece, and just feel away and use your eye as well. So I use a feel and I use my eye, and I know that, okay, this is going to be basically the same size. So everyone makes their dumpling different. This is the way I do mine, right? So do you, boo, do your thing, whichever way you want to do it. Some people will take off some of the flour. So you see one of those, some people will take it up, put it in their hand middle and then just squish it, and that's their dumpling. Guess what? That is their business. That's okay. They're the ones that's eating it. It is fine, right? So do you, no judgment around here. We don't criticize people around here. Do what you can do as long as the food tastes good. So yeah, just what would I say now? Just poke and press away. That is what I do's, vibes fam. That is what I do. Some people make it like, listen, you want to see my mom make boiled dumpling, like her style, neat. I've tried that before, but I'm better at it this way. So yeah, just do it how you can do it, and the best way how you know how, and also how you are comfortable, right? There's no one way. So there's gonna be somebody who is skinning them teeth, laughing at the way I'm making my dumpling. Don't worry about it, okay? I'm getting it done. As a matter of fact, video yours and show me how you do it. So this is it, Vibe Sam. Well, this is not all of it, but look at it. Look at it. A nice little circle. No judgment, right? I tried a thing. So yeah, Vibe Sam, this is it. So here they are. 9 on the tray right here. I try a little thing, and then I got 5 more and I put those in the bowl. So now let's drop them in the pot of the bubbling coconut niceness. Yes, I'm telling you, you just need to make sure that you get good coconut so you can taste the coconut flavor in the dumpling. So let's drop them in and we're gonna cover it and let them boil for 15 nice minutes. But first, 12 to 15 minutes. They have a thing where they say once dumplings start float, dumplings cook, right? But yes, so stir them up so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. This is a must. Once you drop them in, stir them up, right? So cover it. And here we have it. Here we have it, Vibes fam. A nice pot of bubbling coconut boiled dumpling. Talk to me nice. Look at them. Look at them. They look good. Vibes fam, comment down below and tell me, what would you have this with? What would you have this with? Some mackerels run down. What would you have this with? Some stewed chicken, chicken back, curry chicken back. What would you have this with? But anyway, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please click the thumbs up button and please share my video. And those of you who don't have your post notification turned on, could you please click the little bell and turn on the notification so that you can be notified when I upload new recipes. Thank you so much for watching, Vibes Sam. I appreciate you. God bless you.